The steel that we make here in Butler Works is unique. Our electrical steel is the backbone of our electrical grid. Our nation relies upon it. Chances are, if you look at the transformers up on the poles at the end of your street, that's our steel in that pole. This mill has been a really important part of our community and Butler County. It has, for generations, employed people. One of the things that's really neat in here, there's no one job that's the most important job in here. We all work like a community. It's almost like a beehive.
Butler County has a 200-year history of making things and being at the forefront of manufacturing. These are people with grit, who really have a work ethic, and they have that know-how to get things done.
The Department of Energy has awarded Cleveland-Cliffs Butler Works with $75 million to invest in the induction reheat furnace project at our hot mill. So we will essentially replace 2 of those high-powered gas furnaces with induction furnaces. An induction reheat furnace uses electricity to heat versus our existing gas-fired furnaces, which will save us a significant amount of processing cost. They do that by improving our yield by roughly 3 to 4%, and that's a significant ROI to our business. We also improve our product quality, and all of this at the same time while we're reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Those induction reheat furnaces will lead our way to the future to be able to supply the increasing demands on the electrical grid.
As Butler Works adapts new technology, then their workforce is going to need new skills and knowledge. Butler County Community College and Cleveland-Cliffs has a long-standing partnership. We work together very closely, and we provide skill building training for their apprenticeship program. Educating the workforce and providing them with new skills allows them to sustain and build for the future.
I'm really excited about the new furnace that's coming in. That's going to mean more jobs. That's going to mean growth. That's not just growth to this mill itself, but that's going to create a ripple effect of jobs and a really healthy economy. This is a piece of history. This is like the Industrial Revolution, and things are just beginning in this great, big, bright future.
Butler Works represents our past, our present, and our future. If you think about the generations of people that have come through this community, that have worked to make steel right here in our backyard, we are now creating future jobs, the jobs that are evolving as the economy evolves. And that legacy will continue right here in Butler County.
I've lived in this community my whole life. If I have grandchildren or great-grandchildren, they'll say, my grandma was part of that. That chokes me up.